And time now for a bite of the week. It comes from the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Owen Speed.
Now speaking at JTA's annual conference in Montego Bay this week, Mr. Speed echoed calls for the appointment of a permanent Minister of Education.
The position is now held on an interim basis by Carl Samuda. Mr. Speed said this uncertainty will affect policy planning for the next 2 years. Here's a bite of the week.
We think that it is high time that we cut out some of the acting that is going on at the ministry. At this time, we have an acting minister, an acting permanent secretary, an acting chief education officer. Can you imagine if the children at school and the janitor and everybody there start acting too? It is high time that the Prime Minister intervenes and name a full minister.